In this video, I will show you how to connect your Quest 3 to Unity. Then you will be able in Unity just to click on play and see the result, the preview on your headset, okay, without creating a APK. So let's start. So of course you need your Quest 3. It must be connected with a USB 3 cable, okay? Otherwise it will not work at all. So the next thing, you need the software. So you need to have Meta Horizon Link, okay? When it's connected, you see in Meta Horizon Link, if I go to device, it will show me that my device is active. The first time you do it, first time you connect your headset to the PC, it will probably ask you to confirm if you want to use a USB to control the headset from the PC. Okay, so now it's connected, the PC see it. So now I can go to Unity. So we are in Unity. This is a Unity VR template of the version 6.3.9. I didn't check what is the latest version of the Unity sample, but here we go to build profile. So when you load this template, by default, it will use Windows. So it's not what we want, because later, not now, but later, we'll create the APK that will copy on the headset. So I must be sure that I work with Android or MetaQuest if you work exclusively on the Quest, okay? But if you want to do your application and use it for different headset, better to use Android. Then I will click on switch platform. So it will take him a few seconds because he will have to compile everything, do a compilation of everything, especially the shader to adapt them to Android. Because there is really something important. What you see in Windows, the quality will not be the same on Android, okay? So it's done. So now I am with Android. Run device, you see there is default device, and actually I can refresh and it should show me in the list my Oculus Quest 3. Okay, so now Unity is connected to your headset. I will not build anything yet. Here it's just to see this scene, this 3D scene in the Quest. So normally now it should work. Next step will be in the headset. So I will wear the headset and show you in the headset what I do to do the connection and to play this preview. So now I am in my Quest 3. So what I will do, I will click here on Quick Control, click on Link, and it will show me that I am connected to my PC using the USB cable. And I just click on launch to launch this link system. So what he will do, he will load the old interface of Meta or Oculus. When we had the Oculus Rift, it was the interface that we have. And all these applications are actually PC VR applications that you have, that I have on my PC. Okay, so now what I can do is to see the windows of my PC. So I will go to desktop, and this is a monitor too. So here, as you can see, I can see the monitor, my Windows monitor with Unity. So now, even I can do it with a controller. I don't need to do it with my PC mouse. I will just click here on play. And you will see, of course, this scene in your headset, but also you will see it in your monitor on your Unity Windows, Unity viewport. So here, this is the scene that they prepared for us. You can move inside. Perhaps I should brief you about the move. You have the right controller here, okay? When I push it, I will be able to see the target where I can be teleported, okay? So when I let the button go, I am teleported, okay? So here I will do the same. You see the joystick. When I let it go, I am teleported. The other way to move, is to use this left controller. The thing is, you will see it's a bit weird. We have a vignette, okay, this black vignette. So why we have this vignette? Because this movement is pretty cool, very smooth, like a normal movement, like if you were working there. The problem is this movement with the left controller make a lot of people sick. They have motion sickness, nausea. This is why the vignette will reduce this effect of sickness. But it's pretty ugly. So it's a choice. You let people have sickness or you put this vignette. In my case, for all my apps, I just remove this tool. I don't allow people to move with this left joystick. It's too risky to have your user feel sick. So here I will use the right one. So I will teleport here where there are different objects. First, before I could show you, so you have a video explain to you how to use this scene. You have, for example, example of button. You have example of menu, toggle, slider, button. And so, of course, the cool thing is you can interact with this object. So with the left or right controller, I will use a trigger on my major finger. And then I can select the object, put it on my other hand and throw it. Okay, so it's super simple. What you can also do, this is why not you let your controller on the table, and now with this latest version of Unity, it will switch directly to the hand controller. And as you can see, the quality is pretty cool. You have an aliasing, but it's pretty cool. But you have to be careful. Here we are using, oops, I clicked on this object. We are using the PC. Okay, so this is a PC who calculates everything. So he calculates things pretty well. Later, when you will create a APK Android file and you will play without the PC, I think this shadow will not be so good. A lot of things, especially the shader, will not be as good. So here, with this hand, I can select the object. I will just select the object between my thumb and index and select it like that. I can play with the other object to rotate it. And here, apparently, yeah, I can even scale it. Okay. And I can put it back or just take it and throw it. So there are some, there is a dynamic. Okay, this one, I don't know what I can do, nothing. I can also select it at a distance, like that. Okay, and throw it. Okay, so that's very simple. So now to stop it, I will take back my controller. I can stop it in Unity clicking on the stop button. Or here I will use I don't know why I don't show it anymore. Yeah, here I will use Oculus or Meta button. Okay, it will ask me if I want to quit the app. I will say yes. And now you see I'm back in Unity on my PC and it's not playing anymore. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.